The B network listing is finally in front of us, and so many people are not even aware, and they are going to be making a lot of mistakes. So in this video, we're quickly going to be discussing the listing of the B network. So this video is going to be very interesting for anybody who is participating in this particular project. So if you are participating in this project, make sure that you watch this video from the beginning to the end so that you understand every single thing and then know exactly what is happening and what to do. But before we go into that, if you are new into my YouTube channel, kindly hit the subscription button, also turn on the notification bell. So the first thing, make sure that you are coming over to mine your B. After activating your mining node, you can also go ahead and boost your mining speed by watching ads right here. I've made a video about that in the past. And then also make sure that you come over to this section right here and then click on this explore, then come over here. I'm going to paste a link in the comment section of this video. Copy that link, come and paste right here. So once you paste it, you are going to just click on center like that. It is going to load up. Come over to this check in right here, so click on it. So once you click on it, make sure that you are coming over to this section to earn your BXP points. They are also very important to this airdrop. They are very important to whatever profit that you are going to book from this particular project, because at the end of the day, probably these XP points will be calculated and added to your B tokens, your B tokens, this one right here. So it's very important. Then the next thing I want you to do is make sure that you come over to this settings right here, click on it, and then come down right here. You see KYC. I have verified my KYC. Make sure that you go ahead and verify your KYC. Is very extremely very important. And then I'm going to take you to X. You can see this official X account right here called the Crypto Web3B right here. And then if you look right here, you're going to see that this account is followed by the B Network official. So let's click on it. If you click on it, you see that it has taken us to the official X account of the B Network. So if B Network is following that account, it simply means that B Network also have some connections with the owner of that account. So by that, we can clearly trust the information that is coming from this particular account called the Crypto Web3 B right here. So if you come right here, you can see that they made a post 3 hours ago, and this is what they said: B Network listing update. B Network listing update. So you can see the sign of the B. They say B Network may be listed on OKX very soon. OKX is showing full support for B Network. So that is what OKX is showing, full support for it. And they say this is also a strong possibility of B listing on Binance along with OKX. So which exchanges do you think is best to list on? So if you look right here, look at what this they also predicted. This is expected price $1 plus. Guys, imagine if B can just cook at $1. Oh my god, do you know how much? Jesus, it means this project is going to cook massively for the community. It's going to cook great. That is if it was to list at this price of $1. Now look at what it says again. If you need a KYC slot, you can contact us, follow Web3, and then repost this. So they say you can contact them and then they are going to help you with your KYC. That is for those who have not yet done their KYC. So I don't know, maybe you can come and comment right here in the comment section with a handle, but don't give anybody your login details. Never do that. You can give your handle, but never give anybody your login details. Now if you come back to the B app right here, come to this explore right here. From what they have said, if you come over to this page, now come over to this section right here and then paste that link I told you. Once you paste that link, then scroll down, keep scrolling down. I have talked about this in one of my videos before, and you can clearly see right here, and this is what they say: B.com, the world's largest Web3 portal. Look at the partners. One of the partners is the Binance, the CoinMarketCap, the CoinGecko, and others. And one of it was the OKX. So they have shifted the OKX logo right here, but you can clearly see from that post that OKX is still highly backing this particular project, and these are the top tier 1 exchanges, so which indirectly or simply tells us that these projects actually have the eyes of the big exchanges on them. And this is a very positive signal that this project can cook very well. So for those of you who are not yet mining or who have registered and are joking with it, now most times you look at these people, look at the number of people I have referred. 36 out of the 36, only 10 are mining, which means that more than about 26 are not mining. When you hear listing now, they will run and come back and start. They have not done their KYC, they have not mined enough, and then at the end of the day they cry dust. Well, I am briefing you now. The listing of the B network might be happening any moment this year, any moment or next year. So prepare your account and be ready, so that this will not cut you unawares. So that will be all, and that is what I wanted to share with you in this particular video. Make sure that you are mining consistently, and if you are not yet started, I'm going to drop the link in the comment section of this video and also in the description section. You can join and make sure that you start participating immediately. And if you are new into my YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the subscription button. Also turn on the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever I upload new videos. So thank you so much. See you in my next video.